show you how to do a slip knot. So to make this slip knot, you hold the tail end of the yarn, which is the loose end. You place it over your index and middle finger, and you hold it with your thumb. You wrap around both the index and the middle finger. You should have an X. Now with your hook, you're going to go over the end that's closest to the tip of the finger. So you go under what's closest to the tip of the finger, then you go over the yarn that's closer to the knuckles. You hook the one that's closest to the knuckle into the hook of the needle, and you pull it under the part that's closer to the tip. Ensure that you're using your thumb to secure the tail, and you pull. So you hold onto the tail and you keep pulling. So you have to ensure that you're securing the loop on the hook while you pull the tail. So I'm going to go over it once more. You secure the tail of the loose end of the yarn. You secure it on your thumb. Then you wrap the yarn around both the index and the middle finger. Create an X using the portion that's still in between the index and thumb on the other hand. So you make an X. Use your ring finger to hold it there. So it's a lot of securing with your hands, your fingers. Now you take the hook, go under the portion that's closest to the tip of your fingers, over the portion that's closest to your knuckles, pull through. Then you secure the tail and you secure the loop on the hook, and you pull the tail. Make an X, under, over, pull through. This is how you make a slip knot. Now hold the tail, keep the hook in the loop, and then this portion here that's still attached to the yarn, to the ball of yarn, you pull on it for depending on the tightness you want. And this is how you make a slip knot.